My name is Jan Green. I'm a senior lecturer at Glyndŵr University in the management subject area. I'm here this afternoon with Anne Carter. Anne, could you tell me about your involvement at the university, please?
Yes, I'm a student here on the part-time MBA course. I'm also a line manager in a local public sector.
So perhaps the part-time course suits you very well. My background is extensive industry experience, mainly in the food industry and then waste management before I moved into lecturing. So I really enjoy teaching the part-time MBA students because they are working. How does a course fit in when you have a full-time job?
Well, obviously it's a lot of hard work, but it does fit in well with my own personal circumstances. I've managed to combine my family life with my working life and with my course as well.
That's tremendous. So what sort of commitments involved in coming on the MBA?
There is a lot of commitment. I think you have to be well planned, well organised. You have to learn to put other things aside and to do your coursework when it's due in.
Because we're very strict, aren't we, with handing dates?
Yes, yes.
So looking at an MBA, Masters in Business Administration, it's a broad management-based programme, and certainly we would look at various aspects involved in managing, developing and improving a contemporary business. So what sort of subjects have you been studying?
We've studied a load of subjects including HRM, marketing, operational management, accountancy, and obviously we're going to study our dissertation in the next 12 months.
And are they taught in blocks? What sort of lecturing style is involved?
It is taught in blocks. The first 2 years are actually taught with 2 subjects per semester, so there's 4 subjects per year. So it's quite good because you usually have 2 assessments for each subject.
So it's manageable then?
It is manageable, yes.
And obviously the environment is very global these days. So is there any international aspect to the programme?
There is. We do an international business module as well, which involves 2 lecturers coming from the USA.
That's super. And what about the other students on the course then? How many are involved? Do you get a chance to get to know them?
We do. There's 15 on our course at the moment. We went away for a weekend, sort of a team building exercise.
Where was that?
Oh gosh, I've forgotten where it was now. But it's somewhere in North Wales, and it was great fun. Absolutely great fun. It was really broke the ice with all of us, and we had a great time.
From a lecturer's perspective, I enjoy teaching the part-time students because they're involved in business, and I see you as being a very cohesive group. What sort of backgrounds do those students have?
The students come from all sorts of backgrounds. They come from manufacturing, they come from public sector, there's social workers in, there's NHS staff in there as well, but they're all got similar jobs, which is management. Mm-hmm.
And you mentioned that the first part of the course is taught so that you're in the university at set times, and then obviously the final section is an individual piece of research that you're able to do, which really equates to a consultancy type of approach where you've got a problem or an issue that needs investigating, researching and perhaps looking at some ways of improving and recommendations. How do you see that going as you come towards the end of your course? I
think it's going to be very interesting. I'm dealing with restructuring at the organisation I work in, so it should be quite interesting actually talking to the senior staff to find out how the actual restructuring went about and how it's developed within the business strategy of the organisation.
So at quite a high level then?
It is extremely high level.
I think that in summary, Anne, is the whole essence of an MBA programme, is pitched at people who have accumulated some experience within business, but it provides a unique opportunity to meet other people in a similar situation, but from different backgrounds and different sectors, and taking time out to refresh, enhance, improve management skills and abilities in order to transfer those to a business and take it on into the future in an increasingly complex and dynamic environment.